Welcome to Amplify's Lesson Editor. This is where you can create the lesson plans that you'll use Amplify to teach with. You'll see in the middle of the screen there's a big area with some text in it. This area is called the card holder. Amplify is built around cards. Think of cards like traditional index cards. They store the content you want to present to your class. The first card is the lesson title card. To edit this card, we first need to get acquainted with the top panel up here. This top panel has all of Amplify's features. Since we're in editor mode, we have the editor features displayed. These features help us while we're creating and editing our lesson. When we're teaching, there'll be a different set of features displayed, like the features here. For instance, cold call someone else, and getting volunteers. But for now, we're just going to use the editing features. So to edit this lesson title card, we're going to click on Edit Card. When we click on Edit Card, we can edit the new lesson title. Since I'm a science teacher, I want to teach a lesson about motors. I'll enter my title of my lesson, and my classes are 50 minutes long, so I'll enter 50 minutes, and I'll write the objectives for the day. I want my students to understand motors. I'll click Save, and now this card has been created. Next, I'll start creating my lesson. I'll click Add Card, and the first thing I'll notice is right here there's a drop-down menu with the different types of cards that Amplify supports. We'll see there's a note card, which has blank text. There's a question card, which allows me to put a question and answer in. And then there's a section card, which allows me to divide my lesson up into different sections. I'll first create a section card. This first section of my lesson I'll call Introduce the Students to Motors. I expect this section to take 10 minutes. I'll click Save, and this section card has been created. Now I'll start adding some cards with content. I'll click Add Card, and the first thing I want to do is make a note. So I have my lesson plan written up in Google Docs. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to copy this first note section, and I'm going to insert it into Amplify and click Save. And now it's right here. Next, I'll click Add Card, and now I want to ask my students a question. I want to ask them, I want to see if they understand what a motor is. So again, I'm going to come over, I'm going to paste my question, what is a motor? And I'm going to paste the answer. A motor takes any kind of energy and turns it into any type of motion. Save it again, then create a new card. And now I could continue to create my lesson. Well, let's say I'm done with my lesson and I want to go teach my lesson. I click on Teacher's Room and I hit yes. It saves the lesson to the server, and now I'm in the Teacher's Room. In the Teacher's Room, I can create and edit the lesson. So the lesson I just created is there. I can create and edit class lists. I can look at student performance reports, and I can go teach. But to learn more about the Teacher's Room and Teach Mode, please watch the Teacher Room how-to video. Thank you very much, and enjoy using Amplify. Bye.